afternoon to all my respected sir and ma'am. Good morning to all my friends. Good morning to all my elder and younger sisters and brothers. Today we are celebrating our 74th. So at first wishing Happy Independence Day to everyone. In our fancy dress competition, I am wearing clothes like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yes, I know little words about him. Please don't mind if I said anything wrong about him. Full name of B.R. Ambedkar is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Also he known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He was born in a Dalit Mahar family. He was humiliated by high caste. He was leader of Dalit. He became the first law minister of government of India in 1947. His brilliance makes the Indian Constitution is best in the world. He was a great leader, politician, jurist, economist and social reformer. At the end, thanks you, Jai Hind.